Good day, everyone. Welcome to the YouTube lecture channel. Meta tags or channel tags. These keywords are useful for your channel to appear in the search engine or YouTube search. For example, if your channel is Digital Marketing Channel, if you have added this keyword to your channel tag. If someone is searching for this keyword on YouTube or Google search, there are many chances for your channel to be displayed. There are two tags available for YouTube. One is channel tag and the other is a video tag. For example, if my video title is Digital Tips, I would have used the YouTube search keyword for that video. But I would not have used the video tag in my channel tag. I would have used the related keywords in my channel tag. For example, if my channel is Digital Solution Point Channel, I would have used a digital marketing channel in English. But in my video, I would have used digital marketing tutorials in English. So, this is the difference. Next, how to search keywords for your YouTube channel. You can do it manually. You have to search your channel from the point of view of the audience. If you have found out how they are searching for your channel on YouTube, you can use those search phrases as your channel keywords. Or you can use autocomplete features on YouTube. You can find the keywords for your channel. There are many online tools available, like Keyphraser, Google Keyword Planner, Google Trend. There are many tools available. If you place your keywords in those, they will give you many suggestions. You can use those. My suggestion is YouTube's autocomplete feature. If we are searching for something, they will show list of suggestions. If we use high volume search phrases, our channel will definitely get good growth. Similarly, the keywords you use in your channel should be long-tail keywords. Maximum use of 10 keywords. Similarly, don't use short-term keywords. You can use short-term keywords in your video keywords, but you have to use long-term keywords in your channel keywords. Now, let's see how to search keywords for our channel on YouTube. I am going to YouTube. Just by typing digital marketing, it shows a list of suggestions. Digital marketing full course. Digital marketing in Mglai. Digital marketing career. Digital marketing agency. It shows all these suggestions. Similarly, when you are searching for your channel's primary keyword, in autocomplete, you can use the keywords shown in the suggestions. I have taken 6 suggestions from this autocomplete. If this is not suitable for your YouTube channel, you can use online tools. For example, I am going to copy digital marketing in English. This is a website called Keyphraser. Go to this and place your keyword. In this, you have to select your country. It shows all the suggestions. You can copy this and use it as your channel's keyword. For my case, I am going to use these 6 keywords. You can use up to 10. At this point, use a comma at the end of every keyword. This is going to be used as a separator. So, place a comma everywhere. Place a comma and copy. Go to the channel and click on the setting. Click on channel. Next, there is a place called keyword. Place all the keywords you copied. This will support up to 500 characters. So, use a minimum of 10 keywords. You can add more if you want, within 500 characters. For better results, use a minimum of 10 keywords. Next, you have to select your residency. Select India. Select and click on Save. Now, our keyword has been applied to our channel. If you want to find out which channel keyword your competitor has used, just go to your competitor's channel. Click on About Us. Right-click on it. Click on the View Page Source. Click on Control. Click on Keyword. You can see all the keywords for that channel. Like digital marketing in English, digital marketing tutorials in English, digital marketing training in English. These are the keywords for my channel. You can find the channel keywords of your competitor. There are many tools available to find this keyword easily. Like vidIQ. We are going to see all that in detail in upcoming videos. So, now you have to understand how to find a keyword for a channel and how to integrate that keyword into your channel. If you have any doubts, comment in the comments section. I will give you a solution for that. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe. Then all the upcoming videos will reach you soon. Thank you for watching and have a good day.